So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very special guest with us today, and his name is Ravindra MS. He's from Bangalore. He's 54, and I was informed by the angel coach Abhipsa that the health issues that he has, and which is corrected in 3 months. Multiple lipoma from last 42 years. Great improvement is there. Lipomas got soft in just 3 months. Hemorrhoids from last 34 years recovered now. Cholesterol from last 4 years completely reversed. Digestive issues mild but more than 10 years reversed now. Knee pain from 4 years completely reversed. Joint stiffness 4 years due to injury reversed. Sweet cravings from 10 years no more. Dry eyes from 10 years. He was taking eye drops, completely reversed. He was having dull face from 2 years, now vibrant skill I can see. And eyesight improved and lost around 4 kgs. So let's come to Ravindra. Ravindra, over to you. If you can please unmute yourself and share your experience.
Please, Hi, namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah.
Yes, over to you. How has been your journey in Go Nature and with Coach?
It's amazing. It's amazing. Actually, in the first few days, I thought of giving it up. I got a bit annoyed. I was not bit comfortable with the diet. But for every excuses, the Abhipsa ma'am has a quick fixes. She didn't allow me to deviate from the diet. And in the first week, I suffered a lot from the bloating. That was a big issue. I had never ever suffered in my life, a big bloating, as if it is going to explode. But due to timely intervention and timely modifications, I came out of it. And now I'm feeling happy, and more than anything, my resting heart rate has come down to 56 now.
Sorry, your?
Resting heart rate in the morning has come down to 56. Earlier it was around 65, 67. It's a very good sign actually.
Wow.
Actually, I joined the course for lipoma. I am a strong believer in naturopathy. I joined for lipoma. I am getting a good result now actually.
Amazing. Yeah. So journey was awesome. Let's come to your angel coach. So sure, Abhipsa, yes please. Yeah, Abhipsa, how has been your journey with Ravindra? Over to you.
Yeah. Hello sir. Good evening.
Hi.
Good evening, Ravindra ji. Yeah. As his name suggests, Ravindra, believe in yourself and the world will follow you.
Wow.
In the very beginning, he asked me about the affiliate. Then he moved towards starting with the journey, and he shared his points, the trouble he was suffering from his childhood. It was a long list. Really, I also thought how a small boy faced all this surgery and all. I just want to list out all those things. When he was 12 years of age, that time tonsils was removed due to frequent infections followed by fever. Sometimes people get misguided that it is a normal fever. Okay, so even if there is fever, means we need to focus on that. Okay, that is an infection, virus infection, and we need to take action at that time in the proper way. We need proper guidance. Yes. When he was 16, 17 years of age, that time only first lipoma was being detected, and it was visible below the left wrist, and later on it developed to few small lipomas on the left hand in the next 3-4 years.
Got it.
Later, after 2 to 3 years, when he was almost 18 years, 4 teeth was removed.
Oh.
And he was put on dental clips. Then again, after a gap of 2 years, typhoid. Again, after a gap of 2 years, the first lipoma surgery was done. Okay, but doing surgery every time and getting the lipomas removed, that is not serving the purpose, right?
Right.
And again, when he was 32 years of age, that time another tooth got extracted due to gum issue.
Right.
And he has seen his father suffering from heart-related issues, and he lost his father when his father was 70 years of age. So coming to his health issues and his father's issue, mother was also diabetic. Considering all these things, again he thought of, okay, I need to go further towards some sure thing which will helped me come out of all these diseases. And when he was 49 years of age, that time also he suffered from viral arthritis, stiffness in fingers, wrists, elbows. His mobility was also reduced, and he got admitted to hospital, took Ayurvedic treatment at that time, and got recovered. But that recovery was not forever. That was only for 4 months. He got
Temporary solution.
somewhat relaxed. Yeah. And 51, when he was 51 years of age, that time knee pain was there. So he felt, no, anyway, it is not serving the purpose. I'm not 100% satisfied. So I need to move towards something which will give me result forever, and I should happily accept it, right? He came to know about Go Nature. He joined the silver membership. Then I was the coach who looked after him, and his efforts, along with there is one another person whose effort have also brought results. She's his wife.
Wow.
Shamana.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So when we work together synchronizingly, and we have a positive mindset, right? In the beginning, he suffered from bloating, severe bloating. In the first 14 days diet plan, which I provided him, he was relaxed from coming to gastric and all these things, but severe acidity he got. And he told, ma'am, I don't want to step backwards. Please suggest me what I need to do. I told him, please keep continuing with this diet plan. This is there. I do understand bloating is there, severe bloating is there, but it will last only for 2 to 3 days.
Withdrawal symptoms, yeah.
Yeah. You please keep continuing with this, and you will come out of this one day. Very soon. Within 3-4 days, you will be coming out of it.
Right.
And he didn't question me anything. Said, okay, ma'am, you are telling, I am trusting you, and definitely I will do.
Wow.
Then after a few days, I asked, what's the situation right now? Yeah, it's perfectly fine. I'm doing my work, and I'm happy with whatever result I have got. So I just want to deliver a message to the universe. The results you achieve is directly proportional to the effort you apply.
Yes. Amazing. Very true. Very true. Very well said. Thank you so much, Avipsa. Thank you so much, Ravindra. Ravindra, I think your name should be the warrior Ravindra, or the fighter.
Thank you very much.
So many, things happening in your life, but the way you have done, amazing. Hats off to you. Everybody just type MPTY for Ravindra and MPTY for Avipsa. Amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry. You were saying something, Avipsa? Yeah. You can unmute. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I was wishing him a happy Diwali.
Yes, happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Thank you. Happy Diwali, Ravindra. Happy Diwali. Thank you. Okay. Wow.